In today's skill builder, we're practicing short straight cuts and notch cuts with the jigsaw. Let me show you what you're going to need. What I've got is a piece of 1x4 that I've made 1-inch lines all the way down the length of the board, first without the X, and then I went back and marked every other one with the X. So the X is where we're going to make our notch. With each X, we're going to be able to get first a straight cut, actually 2 straight cuts, and then our notch. On this particular board, we're going to have a chance to do it 14 times, so a lot of practice. I've simply done this with a pencil and my speed square. Now that you know what you need, all you got to do is put some music on and get your practice on. Let's go. I want to stop for a real quick second because I want to show you what my thumb is doing to help guide the base or the shoe of this to make a straight line. Take a look. So what I do is I actually use my thumb as a guide. I plant my thumb on the wood, line up the blade, and then I slide the shoe along my thumb, creating a really straight cut. This is what this looks like. And as you can see, it's a really perfect cut. So let's go and cut 4 of these notches out. Here I'm simply nibbling away at the material, just enough to get the blade to turn the corner. Then once the piece drops free, I can go back and clean up any saw marks. All right, there's one. Well, there's 4 of them done with you. You got another at least 10 to go on your own, and I think they turned out pretty well. Also, if you missed the basics video that I did for the jigsaw, I'll leave a link in the notes section below, or you can just click up here on the top of the video. Thanks for joining me today. Be well, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.